Carl Summer, president of Reliable EDM, has a wealth of machining experience. Having worked as a machinist, tool and die maker, foreman, tool designer, and operations manager, Carl now shares with you from his wealth of experience.
Now I'm going to show you some amazing footage of a power press coming down and making a trailer hitch part. And I want you to look at this. Think of designing this tooling. Think of making it, the tool and die making. It's a very highly skilled trade, designing and producing this kind of tooling. This is a 1,000-ton power press. Mounted inside this power press is a progressive die making hitches for pulling trailers. Imagine having to design and build this progressive die. This requires much skill and experience. Now the finished part is being dropped onto the conveyor belt. Here you can see the finished trailer hitches coming out of the power press. Let's see how they make these trailer hitches. First, they start with a large coil of steel that is automatically fed into the power press. Let's take a closer look to see how the trailer hitches are made. The flat sheet of steel is fed into the power press. The flat form is punched out and carried to the next station. A ball shape is stamped into the plate. In the next station, the whole trailer hitch is formed. Notice lubricant is being applied to help in the forming. Now holes and other shapes are being stamped into the trailer hitch. Here the part in its various stages is being lifted up inside to the next station. Now the finished part is being dropped onto the conveyor belt. We've just witnessed some amazing tooling for making trailer hitches. I'd like us to look at some other power press operations. The next footage is kind of simple, but it gives you an idea of making just single parts. And then the next footage you're going to be looking at is where they make 4 parts at one time. This is a soda can top. And this is done in tool and die making. And it's very precise because when you lift up that tab, that has to break. If it's too weak, the soda can's going to leak. If it's too strong, you can't open up the tab. And I want you to try to count. You're going to see a power press in operation. Try to count how many strokes per minute that power press is coming up and down. For many years, I've worked as a tool and die maker and also as a tool designer. And I've written a book with my son, Steve Summer, who's a mechanical engineer. It's called Complete EDM Handbook. I'm the president owner of Reliable EDM, and we do all kinds of shapes now. I used to do that with a milling machine and form grinding. Today it's all done very simply with wire EDM. We just program the shapes into the computer and we can make all kinds of forms and shapes by that means. And there's a lot of information in this book about tool and die making, how wire EDM has revolutionized the industry. And it's free on our website. And this book is also used by trade schools and colleges as a textbook. So help yourself and view this material that's free on our website.
Located in the heart of the high-tech energy capital of the world, Reliable has the largest EDM job shop capabilities in North America, specializing nationwide in wire, RAM, and small hole EDM. Our commitment to our customers and our passion for technology has made us the EDM specialists.